Yeah.
Okay. Should we start recording? Good evening, everyone. Can everyone hear me? Can I have a thumbs up, please, if you can hear us? All right. I think we are before time, so we have about 4 minutes to go before the session starts. So,
I'm hearing you. No.
hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can I
Recording in
request
progress.
can I request everyone to also mention the name of the country you are from? Besides your name, just change your name, edit your name, and mention the name of the country that you're from. So Shivam, if you're from India, just mention India. If you're from UAE, just mention UAE, and so on.
Say
Botswana.
Hello.
Botswana.
If
Hi.
you're from Botswana, mention Botswana. If you're from somewhere in UK, mention that. If you're in US, mention that. Colombia, mention that. Please mention the name of your country.
My country
Somebody's
is
from South Africa, just mention that.
Namibia.
Namibia,
My country is
Nigeria.
Botswana.
Qatar.
My country is Botswana.
Yeah, just mention it on your name. Just besides your name, just enter the name of the country, please. Just edit your name and mention the name of your country over there.
I live in India. Is
Wow.
Botswana.
Good.
Wonderful.
And my name is Kao.
Say something. Unmute.
Okay, so by the time the others join in, I would request everyone to please read up the rules that you see on the screen right now, just to make sure that this webinar goes without any problems, and we are all able to interact and have a great session together. It's important that we follow all the rules. Put yourself on mute and only unmute yourself when we ask you to do so. If you can't hear us clearly, or if there's any problem in the connection, I would suggest that you put your camera off and listen to it if that is a problem that you're facing. Uh, uh, Apart from that, if you have any questions, you can drop it on the chat box. The trainer, as and when he gets the opportunity, he will respond to that. For any competition related queries, I'm sure you must have some, but this is not the forum for the competition related queries. If you have any questions, please drop an email to contact@livemcl.com or send us a WhatsApp on 8291027238, preceded by the +91 for India, and we will answer your questions. All right, on our email and on WhatsApp. Right now, we are here just to have a look at some tips and tricks for how to calculate fast, and we have our trainer here, Mr. Minu Joki, who will help us in this. So we will just give another. Okay, it's about time. We will just wait for a minute, and I think we will be able to start our session. I'll again repeat myself. Please read the rules of the competition. Mute yourself, unmute yourself whenever we ask you to. If you can't hear us, put your camera off. You'll be able to hear us better. If you have any questions, put it on the chat box. If you have any questions related to the competition, put us an email or write to us on WhatsApp on 8291027238. With that said, I think we are ready to move ahead. I will just go ahead with our introduction. Live Math Competition in D is dedicated to promoting mental math skills through engaging and challenging competitions worldwide. We provide a platform for students to showcase their mathematical skills, learn and grow in a competitive yet supportive environment. Our mission is to make mental math accessible and exciting for everyone, regardless of your background. So we are thrilled to announce that the Mental Math World Cup is now in its third edition. So we've been doing this for the last 3 years, and we've got thousands of participants from around the world participating in this event. Last year we had close to 55 countries. This year we already have more than 56 countries participating, and we are still counting. So we'll have many more participants joining in the next few days. So today's session is specially designed for the children for the age group 6 to 8 years, and will solely focus on mental math topics that are related to the competition. As you must be knowing, and you must from the material that was sent to everyone, it is important that you have downloaded the Live Math Competitions and League app on your phone, and also make sure that you are studying the topics from level 1 to level 7. That is the syllabus for the round 1, and then after that we will give you the details for the round 2 after we finish with the round 1. For now, I think it's about time for the sessions to start, and I would like to introduce to you Mr. Meenu Joki, who's a renowned mathematician, and he has extremely good mathematical skills, and he's here to teach us those, as well as he's got a very good memory. He can remember a lot of things, and he can do a lot of magical mathematical stuff. So without further ado, I would like to pass on the baton to Mr. Meenu Joki to start the session.
Yes. Thank you, Avinashji, for the introduction. Good evening, everybody. Before I teach you about some methods, I would like to do a little bit of mathematic with you. I would like to ask any kid his or her date of birth. Say Gopika Kumar. Can I have your date of birth? And somebody else also? Anyone can please raise your hand. I'd like to know anyone's date of birth. Yes, even Avyuk. Okay. How? Yes. Can you tell me your date of birth, please? Okay. Yeah, please choose somebody else. And just tell me the name. I'll tell you. Lovely kids, all of you.
Let's give it to Cow Alvin
Okay.
Sibalusu.
Hanji.
Cow Alvin Sibalusu.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Please tell me.
Yes, Cow. What is your date of birth? Give us your date of birth. Cow?
Your date of birth
My date of birth
is 31st
31st
January
Okay. January
31st January
2018.
2018. Okay, you were born on 21st January 2018, and that was a Sunday.
I was
You
born in
on a-
2017
Was it
May.
right? Was it right, Cow? You were born on a Sunday. Okay?
Was
By the way-
Cow born on a Sunday?
Yeah. And that's a lucky date. You were now born on a Sunday. Okay. Who else? So many people have raised their hands. That's excellent. Lovely guardians.
How about Insia
No,
Zara?
I think-
Insia Zara.
Yeah.
From digit.
Yes. Please tell me.
My name is Ayaz Suraj.
Say again, please.
I am born on 25th July 2015.
25th July
Born in
2015.
2017.
One second, one at a time. 25th July 2015 was a Saturday. You were born on a Saturday. Right? Yes. Who next? Who else? A couple of more?
How about Hafsa? Hafsa Fawad?
Hafsa. Okay, Hafsa.
Yeah, Navisha, you can go ahead.
You okay? Nanisha? Yeah.
What is what?
I was born on
Huh? Say again. Say again. Say again.
I was on November 15 and 2016.
2016. Which date she said?
November 15th.
November 15, 2016. Okay, one second. That was a Tuesday. You were born on a Tuesday. Okay, one last. Then again, we'll do this towards the end. Any, sorry? Avyut, can I have your date of birth?
I was born in 2016, 11 January.
11 January. Okay, again a lucky date. And 11 January 2016 was a Monday. You were born on a Monday. Okay, now more date of births I'll do little later. This is a lovely webinar. We have people from India, we have people from Sri Lanka, Botswana, South Africa, Qatar, and different places. I'm really thrilled to be with all of you. Now, I showed you my mathematical skills. Now, I would like to share some tricks and methods by which you also excel and you can become future maths champions. To start with, we first see a little bit on addition and subtraction. A simple addition to start with. This one, right? Okay, a simple question to start with. What is 7 plus 5? When you have a sum like this, keep 7 in your mind, count 5. After 7 comes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer for this question would be 12. Okay. Now, when I have both the numbers less than 5 or 5, for example, 4 plus 5, you can even use your fingers. And obviously, as we count the fingers, the answer in front of us will be 9. So, you can type this quickly in the chat box, the answer. Suppose if I have 9 plus 4, what's the answer? Come on, fast. I'm sure all of you know it and all of you will get it.
13.
Okay, excellent. The answer is 13. Yeah. The answer is 13. This is easy, obviously. But now, taking a step further, if I want to do a bigger number, like say 16, sorry, 1 second. 16 plus 9. Now, I'm not going to do the earlier way. What I will do is, I'll be smart. It is 16 plus 9. As we know, 9 is closer to 10. So, I will do 16 plus 10. As we all know, what is 16 plus 10? It is 26. So, this is 26, but this is not the answer. Now, I will minus 26 and 1. Why 1? Because 10 minus 9 is 1. So, the answer, the final answer is 25. This is a very powerful way of doing. But before I give you more practice in this, let's make you even better. Let's try to just do a plus 10 quickly. Answers in the chat box. 12 plus 10. What's the answer?
22.
Okay. Okay, quite a few answers are right, and obviously the answer is 22. One more. What is 18 plus 10? Okay, very good. Excellent. Lovely audience. So this is, then it is plus 10. This will definitely help us to do plus 9, plus 8 sums, and not only add, we can even do subtraction very soon after we learn addition more perfectly. So suppose if I want to do 23 plus 9. So what is 23 plus 10? Yes, it is 33. Now, what is 33 minus 1? 33 minus 1 is 32. So we saw how mathematics can really make a difference. If you're good in calculations, you're good in various aspects of math. Now, one question before we do something more. I would love to have the audience participation to the hilt. If I have 18 plus 9, using this plus 10 minus 1 method, can I have the answer? Let's see how many of you can do it. Wow, excellent. I see
Okay,
the
who-
answers
Does
really
someone
fast.
want to? So who wants to give the answer?
Mhm.
Can we unmute someone?
Yes, what's the answer?
अब बोले 18 plus
Mhm.
9.
So we don't want the answer. We want the steps. Who will tell us the steps? So 18
Yes.
plus 9. Who
Mhm.
will tell us what's the first step to do?
I think Abhyut wants to try.
Okay. Do we have someone unmuted?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tyrant.
Tyrant.
Titan. Okay, Titan. So what will be the first step?
Can you say it again?
27.
Yes, that's the right answer. But there is a method that was shown by Mr. Joki. The
Mhm.
method was, if you want to add 9 to 18, 18 plus 9, first what you do is, this is another shortcut method of coming to the answer. So what you do is 18 plus 10 minus 1. That's an easier way to calculate faster.
Yes.
So 18 plus 10 is 28
Mhm.
and minus 1 is 27. You got the answer. This is also a way to get it. So
Okay.
can someone give us a step like this again?
Yes,
Can we?
I would,
Can I?
yes, sir. I'll give you one more question. So now my next question is 15 plus 9. And who would like to give the answer for this?
So he said 15 minus 9. When you get your answer,
15 minus
equals 15,
No.
16, 17, 18.
Uh-huh. So it is
Okay.
15.
Can we have
Khubev, S. Khubev has been unmuted.
S.
Listen,
Khubev.
if I go tell you something easier, you take 15, you take they're going to tell you it easier, the easiest way.
Yeah, S. Khubev.
Mhm.
Okay. Can we have Hafsa Fawad unmuted?
Hello.
Yeah.
So first we have to do like 9 plus 10, 19, and then we have to add 5 with 19. So that's how we will get the answer.
Okay.
So 10 plus 9 equals to
Mhm.
19.
That's
Mhm.
also a method, but
That's also a method. Okay.
but I want you to tell us what was the method that Mr. Joki told you.
Mhm.
There.
So
15,
can we
take away.
have
Hafsa
Hafsa
Fawad has
Fawad
been unmuted.
unmuted, please?
And
Hafsa
no,
Fawad is
15
unmuted.
No.
have to make 15 plus 10. So the
Mhm.
answer
Plus
will be 25 to that. Then we
Yes.
minus.
yes,
Yes.
Then we do 25 minus 1. Then we
Mhm.
get
minus 1.
That's correct. That's
That's
perfect.
absolutely
see?
right. Give her
Yeah.
a big hand. Very good. Excellent.
Yeah.
Good.
Yes.
Please, teacher.
Leave it sharing.
Okay.
You see, it's another
Now,
way.
this is
Listen.
fantastic. And
Okay.
now,
Can we put everybody on mute now?
yeah. Now, the method that we just discussed not only can help us in addition, it can also help us to do subtraction very quickly. Okay, tiny sweet kids like you always love to add, but you always have that fear. No, subtraction may you can make a mistake. So now let us remove that fear and let us become champions in subtraction as well. Now, same way, if I have to ask you 24 minus 9 instead of plus 9. So very simple. When it's add, you add, but when it's minus, you minus. So we will do 24 minus 10 to start with. What is 24 minus 10? 14. Now, we will add 14 and the difference between 10 and 9 is 1. So we add it and 14 plus 1 is 15. So 24 minus 9 is 15. Okay, so the concept is when you have to add, you have to add plus 10 plus 10. But when you are subtracting, it's minus 10 and 10 plus 1. It's as simple as this. But we will still do one more example. So suppose if I have 26 minus 9. So 26 minus 10. What is 26 minus 10? Quickly answer in the chat box.
They're giving the final answer.
Okay. They are giving the answer. So now 26 minus 10 is 16. And don't forget to add the 1. 16 plus 1 is 17. So this is how this lovely method ensures that not only we add well, but even we can subtract and get the correct answer in a jiffy. So if you are...
Minu,
Yes,
can you
sir.
also do an example with another number apart from 9? Maybe an
Yes,
8
I
or
was just
7?
about to say that. Now we'll do
Yeah.
it with 8 also. For example, if we have 35 minus 8. Can I do plus first? Then I'll do minus.
Yes.
So 35 plus 8. So we will do 35 plus 10. What is 35 plus 10? 45. So 35 plus 10 is 45. Now you know that 10 and 8. What is the difference? The difference between 10 and 8 is 2. So we do 45 minus 2, which gives us 43. And this is my final answer. I hope all the kids, the lovely kids here, are taking notes of all this, and you have to revise it again and again in order to ensure that you don't forget it and do well in the championship later. So I have a question for the audience. What is 22 plus 9? I'm sorry. Let's change it. 23 plus 8. Yeah.
Can we have Devaj answer? Devaj?
Sir, you
Devaj,
have to plus
Devaj,
9
Devaj,
and
Devaj, before you don't give us the answer, give us the steps.
Yes. The question is 23 plus 8. 23 plus 8.
okay. We have to plus 10. We
Yes.
have to plus 10.
Yes.
So 23 plus 10
And
is?
we have to minus 1 is equal to 30.
No. 23 we do 23 plus 10 is 33.
33.
Now
That is
here
correct.
you don't do 1, you do 2, because the
What is the
difference
difference
between
between?
10 and 8 is 2. If you have 10
Yes.
chocolates and you are giving 8 to me, so what is left with you? 2 is left with you. So
Yes, yes.
now it's 33 minus 2, which is 31. Is this the correct answer?
Yes.
Okay, good. And now, the same thing can also be done in subtraction. For example, let us take 44 minus 8. So the same step, first you do 44 minus 10. 44 minus 10 is 34, and the difference between 10 and 8 is 2. So 34 plus 2 is 36. Am I right? Yes, I'm very happy that you all are taking your notes. Excellent, Devaj. Very good. Yeah, please copy it. Then I'd like to give a sum, and the sir will choose somebody to give the answer. And of course, with the steps. Okay? Shall I think you have copied. So now I would like to give an example. 36. Okay, let's do both. So what is 36 plus 8? Who would like to do it? So please choose somebody.
Noora from UAE.
Noora. Noora from UAE. Can you please try the answer?
Yes.
Yeah.
36 plus 10 minus 2 equals
Yes, excellent. What's the answer, Noora?
the answer is 44.
Very good. You're a big hand. Excellent. That was fantastic. Good. I really appreciate when children take interest and they do the correct work. And similarly, one more. What is 45 minus 8?
Selichem from Ghana. Selichem from Ghana.
Serikrim from Ghana. Yes. Could you try the answer, please?
So you do 45
Yes.
plus 10
Minus 10.
minus 10,
Yes.
and it's 35.
Very good. Okay.
Then
Plus.
35 minus
35
plus
plus.
2
Yes.
is 37.
Excellent. That's
Perfect.
fantastic.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Excellent. That was really fantastic. I'm
Minu, can
really
you,
happy.
Minu,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
can you also write out what this the steps that he just mentioned? Can you please
yes,
write it for the
yes. I will
everyone?
write it for them. It's 45 minus 10, which is 35. Now, 35 plus the difference. Difference between 10 and 8 is 2. So, 2, and the final answer is 37. That is really fantastic. Okay. Okay. Now, on this note, we have discussed so many addition of whole and subtraction sums, and it is really fantastic. So I would like to give a poll on addition and subtraction sums. You have 1 minute and try to answer all the questions.
Minu, before we
yes, sir.
go
Yes,
into the
sir.
poll, have
Ajit.
we done the plus 10 or are we going to do it later? The
We already
we've done-
did plus 10.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
did
we've
it.
already done.
Yes.
Plus 10 plus 20.
Yes. Okay, 1 second. I'll just use option. Yeah. Yes, please answer in a minute. And concentrate. I'm sure you'll get all the answers correct.
You see that Maya Untila is already done.
Very good.
And who else is done? Give her the show of hands. Wonderful, wonderful. Rohini is
Very
done.
good participation. Okay. So virtually over 100 odd people have answered, and majority of the answers are absolutely correct. Very good. That's fantastic, kids. So we have covered a very important concepts of how to add, how to subtract. But now there is more. Multiplication, a very, very important thing in math. So multiplication for the young kids like you, from basic tables like 1 to 10, you have to know the answers by heart. Then only it would help you in the championship and later on too. But still, even in 1 to 10, there are some tricks which I would love to share with you. Let's start with a very popular and a very useful trick of a big number in 1 to 10, that is the trick of 9. Suppose I want to do the table of 9. So 9 ones is 9. So this is 0, 9. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to multiply, I'm going to write down in the tens place all the numbers after 0. What comes after 0? 1, yes. And after 1, what comes? 2, okay. Then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, and lastly 9. So in the tens place, I wrote all the numbers from 0 to 9, and in the units place, where 9 is there, I will go the other way around. I will write 9, 8, after 8, yeah, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Isn't that amazing? I got the whole table of 9. Okay. Now there's one more observation. If you are alert, every answer, take any answer, 54. What is 5 plus 4? 9. What is 8 plus 1? 9. What is 4 plus 5? 9. So it's 9, 9, 9 everywhere. That's the magic of the table of 9. There's a finger trick also, which even this I would love to share with you. Suppose I want 9. And remove this. Okay. Suppose I want 9 multiplied by 4. So my fingers are here. Now the fourth one is this, fourth finger. So 9 fours is 36. 3 and 6 fingers. Did you understand? Suppose I want to do 9 into 6. So again, I first show all my fingers. Now, the 6th one. So I remove this finger and I'm left with 5 and 4. And the answer is 54. Isn't it amazing? So, I would like to admit to unmute a few kids. And I want to know what is 9 into 7. Let's see who can answer. Come on. Using the finger trick, using the table trick that I showed you, whatever way. Audience participation is great. Yeah. Christia, can you try? Yeah, 9 sevens are. Yes. Yes, very good. Many people have got given the correct answer in the chat box. Okay. What? Yes. Okay. Well, what is 9 into 9? Come on, a bigger one. 9 into 9. Yes.
81.
Yes, what's the answer?
81.
Excellent. Answer is right. So, kids, if you are good in tables, you are good in various things. I've learned tables till 10 million. But when I was of your age, in fact, when I was in my 9th, I did not even know the tables of 2 or 3. I was virtually failing. But my mama encouraged me. I started adding bus numbers, car numbers, and the love for maths develop from that age. And I'm sure it will develop in you kids also. So why just 9? Let us see some more tricks. Suppose I wish to take the table of 10. So it's basically 1, 0, 2, 0. Now here I will do 1. Okay, it's gone. I think. After 2, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9, 0, and 100, 10, 0. So 10 also can be done very quickly. And if I just want to quickly ask you, 10 sevens are, the answer will be 70. The question itself is the answer. When I said sevens are, it has to be 70. If I ask you 10 nines are, then it is 90, 90. So not only 9 or 10, even other numbers. Let's take 5. 5 ones are 0, 5. Now, in the table of 5, what we do is, in the units place, it will be 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, and 5, 0. Please remember, any number that you multiply with 5, the answer can either end with a 5 or it ends with a 0. It can't end with anything else. And in the tens place, now each number will come 2 times. So first we have 1, 1. Now we have 2, 2. Now we have 3, 3. Now we have 4, 4. And now we will just write 1, 5. And we get the answer. Very happy to see you all writing all this, because then only you can revise and know your work better. Let's do one thing in this little already. If I want to do the table of 2, so what I do in 2 is basically I'm just skipping a number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And in this table, we are also doing a very important thing. We are not going to give a single odd answer. Moment you give a odd answer in the table of 2 means you have made a mistake. If I want to do the table of 11, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. So now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the same number 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. And now before you say 10, 10, I'll say stop, because it is 1, 1, 0. So we just in a few minutes saw so many different tables and so easy tricks. Just you have to practice, write it, rewrite it, revise orally once, twice, thrice, and then you become math champions. But in multiplication, it is not just these things. The number which can destroy anything and everything is the number 0. Now, I want to multiply 13 and 0. So what's the answer? I'm trying to think. Why should I think? The answer is 0. I'm multiplying 34 into 0. The answer is still 0. I want to multiply 3 into 0. And the answer is still 0. So basically 0, you multiply any number, the answer will always be a 0. 0 destroys the whole thing. You get a 0 when you multiply any number with 0. But what if the sum is little more complicated? Like what if it is 6 into 4 multiplied by 0? It is still a 0. What if it is 7 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 3? It is still a 0. What if it is 0 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8? It is still a 0. So, dear friends, when you multiply any number with 0, the answer is a 0. Wow. Multiplication is just as interesting as addition and subtraction. So I'm sure you have all got the hang of all this. If you have any questions, you're most welcome to ask. And I think it's time to have a poll on this topic. Again, please see the questions and answer fast. You have a minute to do the poll. Yeah. Please concentrate. You have a minute. Try to finish all the answers correctly. Excellent. Very good participation. Okay. So we are done with the poll and majority of all the answers are absolutely correct. Okay. So we started the program with some of my skills. Then I showed you addition, I showed you subtraction, and we did various multiplication tables, as well as the fact that you multiply any number with 0 and it becomes a 0. Now, a very important concept of maths is halving numbers, doubling numbers, tripling numbers. So I want to now know what is doubling. I want to double 7. So what do? I have to double 7. So what is doubling? Doubling means the same number add by the same number. 7 plus 7. What is 7 plus 7? 14. Yes. You can even do 7 multiplied by 2. So either you multiply by 2 or you can add the same number twice. You will get the correct answer. But let's go further. Suppose I want to do the double of 14. So what is the double of 14? 14 plus 14. So I will add this and I will add this. What is 1 plus 1? 2. What is 4 plus 4? 4 plus 4 is 8. And I get 28. Suppose I do want to know the double of 23. So 23 I can even do in one more way. I will split the number 20 plus 3. Now, what is the double of 20? I have 20 chocolates. You also give me 20 chocolates. So now I have 20 plus 20, 40. And the double of 3 plus 3 is 6. So the answer, the final answer is 46. Is that amazing? Doubling concept. The same number becomes double. So let's quickly see. I'm going to give a number to you. I wish you do 32. Can you help me? Can you do the double of 32? Answers in the chat box, please.
Okay, who can help us do it on the screen?
On the screen, okay.
We can have Selikim from Ghana.
Yes, Selikim. Can you try?
Prakhya, can you unmute Selicum?
Yes.
So when you add 2 plus 2 is 4,
Okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
3 plus 3 is 6.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be 46.
Correct.
Uh,
But what I would want you to do is follow the steps that Meenu Joki told you. What is the way to do it? By splitting the numbers.
yes.
So can you help us with that? So 32, if you have to double it by splitting it, how will you do it?
Okay.
30 plus 2,
Okay.
now double it.
Yeah.
So Selicum, you want to help us with that?
Yes. So 30 plus 30
Mm-hmm.
is 60.
Yes.
Correct.
Plus.
And
And
2 plus 2 is 4.
Okay.
perfect.
What's the final
So
answer?
the final answer is
Mm-hmm.
64.
Yes. The
perfect.
answer is 64. Happy that you have understood this. Right? Okay. Now, doubling is a fantastic thing, but that's not all. When you know how to double, you should also know how to half numbers. So let's take very simple example. Let's take a very simple example. 6. What's the half of 6? I have 6 chocolates and I'm going to give half my chocolates to you. So what is left with me? What's the answer? Yes, answer is 3. But now let's take little bigger example, say 20. So I have 20 and I want to half 20. So what it becomes? Yes, Steve is absolutely right. 20 half is 10. But now I want to do a bigger one. Say I want to find the half of 40, yeah, I want to find the half of 48. So basically, I will do the half of 4, which is 2, and I will do the half of 8, which is 4. So is 24 the correct answer? This is how you can find half of any number very comfortably. One more example, please.
Can we also use the splitting method for halving?
Yes, sir. So, for example, 48 can also be done as 40 plus 8. So now, earlier we were doubling, but now since we are halving, we will reduce. So, half of 40 would be 20, and half of 8 would be 4. And if we add the two, it becomes 24. Am I right? Okay. One more example, please. Then I'll ask you all also. So I want to do the half of 86. So 80 plus 6. What's the half of 80? 40. What's the half of 6? 3. And the total is 43. Now, yeah, so it is 43. Happy to see you kids writing. That shows your sincerity. Very good. Excellent. So now let me ask the children here, what is the half? What is the half of 68? Yes. Who would like to help me? Please, Arvind, please choose somebody.
Adya.
Adya. So Adya, can you try to help us? The half of 68?
Maya.
Maya, can you help us?
Maya, Antila?
And obviously the others in the chat box, the answer.
34.
Did you say 34?
That's correct.
That's
That's
absolutely correct. Very good.
But how did you get it? Did you use, can you help us with the split method?
Yeah.
Can you help us how to do it?
Show us?
So half of 60 is 30 and half of 8 is 4.
Okay.
Perfect.
Perfect.
So,
Excellent. That's lovely.
so
Very
Minu,
good.
can you just put it on board? What
Yes,
Maya told us?
Yes, I will do that. Maya said 60 plus 8. Half of 60 is 30. Half of 8 is 4. And the answer is 34. Right? So that was a fantastic and a lovely
Thank you,
way,
Maya.
and
Thank
that's
you.
really appreciated. Okay. Now, kids, we half numbers, we double numbers. There's one more thing, tripling numbers. Now, from your current competition point of view, you're supposed to know triple numbers of 1 to 9. You're supposed to do single digits. So, basically in tripling, what you're doing is, suppose I want to know the triple of 3. It's basically 3 multiplied by 3. So, either you do the table or you can do it in 3 plus 3 plus 3. What is 3 plus 3? 6. And 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So either ways, you can get the answer. Suppose I would like to know the triple of 5. So 5 times 3, I've told you the table of 5, but you can also do 5 plus 5 plus 5. As we know, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So either ways, we can get the correct answer. Am I right? So, quickly answer me. I would like to do the triple of 8. Can you help me? Anyone? And the others in the chat box. Nicholas. Nicholas, try to give the answer. The triple of 8. Justin, can you try the answer? Excellent. You see some kids are showing me the finger. Good. Yeah, what's the answer? The triple of
24.
8.
24.
Sorry? 24. It's not 25, it's 24. Basically, it is.
I said 24.
Okay, okay, you said 24. Very good. Excellent. Your answer is correct. Okay, so the tripling, halving, and doubling numbers are also extremely important. They will help you in your current competition, and even later, you will have to be always good in it. So now, before we go to the next topic, again, I would like to have a poll. I give you a minute. Try to get the correct answer of halving, doubling, and tripling. Come on. Good luck. Okay, I think Shivam has finished. Very good, Shivam. Just wait for your other friends. Excellent. I hope your answers are correct. Yes, okay. So you've done with lots and lots of participants, and the answers, majority of all the answers are absolutely correct. Fantastic. That's again lovely work by you kids. Now, a very important part of math is exponents. What is exponents? Now, suppose I have a question 5. This is the exponent sign. Okay, this sign, this V other way is exponent sign 4. So now, when you have a sum like this, you are supposed to write down 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. It is 4, so 4 times. But with the competition point of view, you're not expected to calculate what this final answer is. Your final answer for this sum would be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Suppose you have 6 raised to 5. So your answer, I'm sorry, in exponent form we'll write it. 6 raised to 5. So what we do is 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. So the 6 has been written 5 times. It's as simple as this. And you get the correct answer. I again repeat, from our competition point of view, you're not expected to multiply and get the answer. Okay? You're just expected to write what I've just written for your screen. So I have a question for the audience. Suppose I have 7 exponent 4. So can I have the answer? Can the admin choose somebody to give the answer? And obviously the others in the chat box. Good.
Can we have Utkarsh?
Utkarsh, can you try?
Sir, the answer is 28.
No, my dear friend, the answer is wrong. You have multiplied 7 into 4. What you are expected to do is, 1 second.
Utkarsh, what you did was you multiplied 7 by 4. Over here, we are not asking you to multiply.
Yes.
So, Minu, can you show him what is
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll show
7
you.
multiplied by 4? Just write 7 multiplied by 4 and show him.
Yeah, okay. 7
That is
multiplied
different.
by 4 is 28,
Is
but
28.
that is different.
That is different.
Yeah. When I said 7 exponent 4, I just want you to write 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. And from our competition point of view, you're not expected to multiply and give the value of this. This is your final answer. Am I right? Utkarsh, what you did was you multiplied 7 into 4. 7 into 4 is 28, but that is different. This is not that. So no problem.
Minu, can you give another example to
Yes.
Utkarsh?
Yes.
Let's see if
Yes, yes, it's 8 exponent 3. Can you try this, please?
Yes, sir. The answer will be 8
Yes.
multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8.
Very good. Your answer is absolutely correct. 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. That is what we are expected to do. But one more thing in this that we are expected to do is, suppose if I give you 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now, I'm asking the other way. So what in this case, what your answer will be? 5 will be written here, the exponent sign, and this number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning the same number has been multiplied 4 times. So 5 exponent 4. So this way also in your competition you can be asked, and when you are asked like this is your answer. So suppose if I have to give you 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So my answer to this question would be 3, because the number is 3, the exponent sign, and how many times is this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my answer. Even here, in the sum, you're not expected to multiply and give the final answer. You're just expected to write in the way I have done. Am I right? So
Can we have Jordan Jack? Jordan?
yeah, I'll give a sum to him.
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose if I have 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So what do you think, Jordan, the answer is?
Is the answer is 4 to the power of 5.
Yes. Yes.
Correct.
The answer is absolutely right. Yeah, it is 4 to the power of 5. Excellent. That was lovely. So, since you've understood this topic, I would like to give a poll to you all on exponents. Please see, you have a minute. Try to get the answers correct. Very good. Come on. Concentrate and can give the correct answer. Okay, fantastic. All the answers of majority of the kids are absolutely correct. So, my dear friends, it was really lovely sharing all these diverse math tricks with you. At the beginning, I told you your day on which you are born. If any child wants to know your date of birth, you're most welcome to ask me. And on all the things that I taught you today, be it addition, subtraction, be it tables, multiplication, the zero concept, then halving, doubling, tripling, or exponents, you're welcome to ask me. My website is my name, minojokhi.in, MINOOJOKHI.in, where you can see a lot of information about me and about tricks, etc. Yes, I have the audience. Anyone can ask me any question. Yeah. Yeah.
The fingertip method for 9 multiplication.
Okay. There was a question regarding the 9 multiplication where the finger is concerned. Suppose I have a question. What is 9 multiplied by 3? So, I first show my all fingers. Now the third one. So, this third finger will go down. So, now before this third finger, you have 1 and 2. 2, and after this finger, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, the answer would be 2, 7, 27. That is how it is. Right? Yes. Any other question? Yeah. Hafsa.
What about division?
That's not in this current competition. That's not in the syllabus.
You're not, that's a little advanced. We're gonna maybe learn it later.
Okay,
Yeah.
Thank you.
thank you.
Welcome. Yeah. I think Idias has a question. Idias.
What?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what is
Mm-hmm.
what is one? What about division?
I just said to the other child also, division is not in the current competition, so you don't have to do it at the moment.
For challenger category, we would not have division sums, so
Yeah.
that is not covered. If you want to learn division though, you can be a part of the master categories webinar. If you you can follow us on the YouTube or on the Facebook link, and you can just join over there and be part of that session also.
Okay.
Idias has a question. Idias.
Anyone wants to know which day they were born in?
Yes, that you can ask. Okay,
Okay.
Saikam Ghana, you have been really a good participant. You try.
I was
Yes.
I was born on I was born
2018,
2018.
September.
20,
was born
is it
on
20? Is it 28? Is it 20 or 28?
Prakyat, can you put everybody on mute and just activate one?
Yes. Saikam Ghana, the very first. Yeah, did you say 20 or 28?
Pardon?
Yes. Can you tell me your date of birth again?
2016.
2016. 16, right?
7th, yes.
Okay.
7th February.
7th February. Wow, I'm 6th February. Okay. So 7th February 2016. 1 second. And you were born on a wow, you're born on a Sunday. Even I'm born on a Sunday. So many similarities. Yes. Who else would like to know? Tyrant. Yeah. Tell me your date of birth.
Around 27, 20,
Say it, Roy.
23rd, the 3rd
But
September.
yeah, but not able to, you're not very audible. Can you, others be silent, please? All will get a chance. One person at a time. September what?
3rd,
3rd September. 3rd September?
2016.
3rd,
2016.
3rd September 2016 was
Yes.
a Saturday. You were born on a Saturday.
Thank you.
7th April 2017. 1 second. 7th April 2017 was a Friday. You were born on a Friday. Yes. Who else? Shivam. Okay.
What about 7th March 2017?
7th March 2017.
4th March.
4th March.
4th March. Okay. 4th March 2017 was a Saturday. You were born on a Saturday. Right? Lovely. Just before me. I'm born on a Sunday. Yes.
Yeah, someone wants to know how to double 48.
Someone wants to know how to double 48. Okay. So 1 second. If I want to do 48, what I'll do is I'll split the numbers. 40 plus 8. Now, since you said double, I would like you to do decline. 40 ka double would be 40 plus 40 is 80. 8 double, 8 plus 8 is 16. Now add the two numbers, 80 plus 16 is how much? 96. So the double of 48 is 96. Am I right? Yeah. Please copy it. I'll remove it after 10 seconds. So you will just copy the thing. Any further questions on date of birth or any of the concepts I taught you? You're welcome to ask. Yeah. Yes, someone has a question? Yeah.
I was born in 2017, May 18th.
18th May, yeah, but
student.
yes, 1 second, please. 18th May 2017 was a Thursday. You were born on a Thursday.
I'm
Right?
a student.
Sorry?
Shiva.
Shivam. Yes, Shivam. Shivam Kadamdar. Yeah. Boliye.
Sir, there are sums in the app like 8 plus 6 minus 3. Can you give me easier ways how to solve it?
Suppose if it is 8.
8 plus 6 minus 3.
Yes, yes. So 8 plus 6 would be, first do one step at a time. What is 8 plus 6? 8 in your mind, count 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This answer is 14. Now you said minus 3. The last part you do with this sum. So 14 minus 3 would be 11. So just do one step at a time and I'm sure you'll get the answer first.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
My
Okay. So I thank Avinash for inviting me for this lovely webinar. It was really a great interaction with all the beautiful children from so many diverse countries. And yes, over to you, Avinash.
I would like to thank everyone for having participated in this session. It was a very interactive session, and I'm sure, even though
And
it's
good
not
luck for
possible,
the competition. I'm sure you all will do well. Just practice hard.
even though it's not possible to teach all the concepts in one session, what's important is the most important ones that are that would be coming in the test is something that we've tried to cover over here so that you can know what is to be practiced and what you can how quickly that you can calculate as soon as you can. We've also given you some referral material that was sent to you on email when all of you registered, so you can have a look through that as well. That will definitely help you. Please use our Live Math and Competitions and Leagues app. If you've not downloaded it, please do download it immediately and log in. If you find any challenges, please drop us a message or email us, and we would be happy to make sure that everybody is able to log in and be ready. In the coming week, we will be having our mock tests, and so it's extremely important that all of you take that take advantage of that opportunity to go ahead and take the practice on the mock test so that you know how the test environment would be like. You should know when the round one comes, which is supposed to be there between the 12th and the 16th. That will be the qualifier round. So it's important that you know how the system works before the actual test starts on the 12th, between the 12th and the 16th. So for the mock tests are going to be held between the 4th to the 7th of July, where the test will appear on your app in the events and leagues section. So we will also be sending you a video about that. pretty soon as to how to log in and take the test. In the meanwhile, if you face any challenges or any issues with the material that was sent to you or with the login details or whatever, you can drop us a message and we will be happy to answer those questions. With that said, I would like to thank Mr. Minu Joki, and I would like to thank all the wonderful participants from all around the world who have taken the opportunity to come and learn something over here. We are very proud of you. I'm sure you are all the future champions of your own schools and your countries, and you will make your parents very proud. And we are very proud of the fact that you've taken this opportunity to come and spend time with us. And we look forward to working with you when the mock test comes and then the round 1 qualifier comes. And I'm sure that I'll see all of you in the grand finale also, which is going to be in the month of August. So with that said, thank you so much. And bye-bye. You have a great time and enjoy your weekend.